In order to improve safety and rider comfort, HJC has developed the air pump system. The air chambers of the cheek pads are inflated with a pump system until they mold themselves to the exact shape of the lower head. After pumping 10 to 15 times, the cheek pads will adjust to the shape of the face and will consequently reduce outside noise levels. Only the edges of the cheek pads are inflated. Therefore, they guarantee good shock absorption and a proper fit even when you don't pump them up. By pushing the reset button, the cheek pads will deflate to allow easy removal of the helmet. The cheek pads can be exchanged easily. Release both press studs as well as the Velcro. Then pull out the interlocking plastic plate and gently pull it free from the chin strap. To install the cheek pads, feed the chin strap through the opening first. Align and fully slide in the interlocking plastic plate until it snaps in place. Make sure the air cylinder of the cheek pad is plugged exactly into the air hose of the EPS plate. Press again from the inside of the cheek pads. Then snap in the press studs. Finally, check that it functions correctly. If a cheek pad cannot be inflated, please check the plug connection between the air cylinder and the air hose again.